Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Josh in Florida on this Galaxy DX88. Josh, we got her fixed up, man. As you can see, it's no longer jumping frequencies. Everything's good to go on it. Went through and did a tune and alignment on it. She's an old radio, but a sturdy one. Had plenty of modulation, crystal clear, lined up well on sideband. Low power, 2 watts as you requested. High power, 5 watts as you requested. Go back down to low. I'm going to show you average power, 100 watt slug. Low, at 13 watts average. Now I'll go to peak. Low, at 23, 24 peak watts. Alright, Josh is ready to come back to you, my friend. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck CB Sales at gmail.com. Bump bump.